Hi everyone, this is Andrew from Total Window Service, and we are at Alexander Wang's headquarters. For those who may not know, Alexander Wang is the famous clothes designer, and his headquarters here in New York City, right next to the Brooklyn Bridge. And we are installing solar window film for the windows. You see this is facing south windows, and we are working with Solar Gard True View 40. This is the film that was chosen by the client, and here I have 3 different meters. One we have BTU meter, the other one is UV meter, and the third one it's a glass low E meter. So let's check the first one. We have far side, which is low E2, right? Now we have let's restart this thing. Okay, all right, so let's check BTU first. So I'm gonna take a piece of film and I'm gonna place it in front of it, and let's see the difference on the meter. This is what we have after the film installation, and this is without the film. So as you can see, it's nearly half, blocking half of the solar heat that coming into the room. Yeah, and my low E meter, something wrong with it. Okay, now we're working. Okay, so we have 100% transmits through the glass, and now we're gonna place a film in front of it, and the meter shows 2.3%. So this is how much UV blocks through the film. 100, just look at the readings. This is a dramatic difference with and without the film. So for those who are still thinking whether or not to install window film on their windows, well, come any Sunday, check out Alexander Wang's windows and you'll see the big difference. You actually don't see a difference visually because we have the top windows already tinted and the bottom row is not. So a look from far away, it's very little difference before and after. Very little difference. And this is True View 40. We cut off almost 50%, even more than 50% of the sunlight. So in a nice bright day, this is how it looks. And these all windows getting tinted. And here is our professional crew working on, you see, the film is pre-cut. The other piece, handling that with care. And we still need to finish. Look at the difference. This is not tinted windows. And on the other side is tinted.